Hello and welcome to TOYSREVIL. Today we'll take a look at Horn's Yard. It was a good day series from Hands in Factory and Mart. Let's have a look at the box first. I'll tell you my story of finding out this figure. I first blogged about it, yes, but it was a hard decision to choose only one box because that's all I could afford, actually. Story of my life. Nice, loving the stickers here, hologram stickers. But anyway, so with this chance to open up one box, let's see what figure I could have lah. Yeah, this sticker came with the purchase to show that I paid for it. This is a strip. I remembered the dude at the counter was asking me which figure did I want, and I couldn't say because I want all of them lah. I want all of them. Come on, man. Come on. This is Hands in Factory, man. These are earlier known as Running Horn figures, or rather as creations of Running Horn. So to see them right now in the affordable format, at least affordable, at least for a box for me lah. It's quite a treat. Quite a treat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 by 4, 12 figures plus a chase secret. So whatever figure I'm gonna get, it's gonna be exciting, so I can put with the rest of my larger Running Horn figures, which I owned from a few years back lah. Again, the box, I love the resealable box, or rather reclosable box. Yes, and the format is sealed bag. Let's have a look at what's the goodies inside. That's the whatchamacallit. I always don't know what this is called. Environment diatom. Do not eat. Yeah, don't know what to say about this, but of course I gave myself away by this card. But it's all good. It's all good. Ben. I have a Ben. QR code again. See what opens up inside. So the mystery is gone. I made a mistake, man. It's been quite a while since I opened the blind box. There's no mystery left. That bugs me quite a bit. But anyway, let's have a look at Ben in hand. Ooh. Nice. This velvetish frosted baggie that comes instead of a clean plastic. I poke through. That's hilarious. Oh yeah, it is. It does come with a hole for the horn to go through. That's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome, I would say. Yeah, the simplest things make it awesome for me, man. That's how I enjoy toys, man. Come on. And there it is. Here is Ben. Let's have a look at Ben. Ben is a figure that I'm, or rather a character design I'm not familiar with. So this is very cool. Oh, nice. Very nice indeed. Come on, the designs are always nice like Hands in Factory. You can't deny it. Running horns. Nice. Running horns. Perfect homage, bro. Let's have a look at the belly. Horn's Yard. It was a good day. I love the iconology and the logo designs that goes with everything. Giving a bit of a massive bump in the iconology department. Loving the character design. Sorry, I'm at lost for words because, as I always do, no wonder my videos are not that well received because I don't talk as much, and because I spend a lot of time gawking at the toys lah. Be that as it may. Nice. HRF. Hands in Factory. Mart. Be that as it may. I just want to share my toy joy with folks who watch my videos lah. Angular designs. a very iconic design style aesthetics at this point. I'm loving the comb on the fro and horn coming out of the fro. The production quality, as all Pop Mart figures are immaculate. Perfect. Perfect lah. For something so small. So rock and roll, Pop Mart. Rock and roll. So if you give me an entire box of these running horns, I'll love you for it. Yes, I'm soliciting free toys, and I'm never asked for free toys. Or not never, very seldom. I don't really care right now. I want entire set of these to unbox. Like, come on, man, come on, man, come on! Yeah, okay, I calm myself down. And that's it. I will end my unboxing here because it has been unboxed. It's sorted. It is loved. Like, subscribe to this video. Yes, this will go on YouTube. What's this glare on my hands, man? Let me see. Yeah, suddenly become too dark. Too dark. Like, subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching. Have a fat one. Bye-bye. Why is it open like this? Because I'm gonna put videos all around for you to look at lah. Yeah, so all good.